Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to invest in Fidelity bonds. Fidelity bonds are a type of investment that involves lending money to a borrower with a fixed interest rate and maturity date. In this tutorial, we will explain the key concepts and best practices of Fidelity bond investing. First, it is essential to understand the key components of a Fidelity bond. These include the face value, which is the amount borrowed, the coupon rate, which is the interest rate paid to the investor, and the maturity date, which is the date when the bond expires. To get started with Fidelity bond investing, you need to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Fidelity bonds are generally considered a low-risk investment, but it is crucial to assess your personal financial situation and goals before investing. Next, you need to choose a type of Fidelity bond to invest in. There are several types of bonds available, including government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds. Each type of bond has its own unique characteristics and risks. Once you have selected a bond, you need to purchase it through a broker or investment platform. You can buy bonds directly from the issuer or on the secondary market. The price of a bond is determined by its face value and market conditions. It is also important to consider the credit rating of the issuer when investing in Fidelity bonds. A higher credit rating indicates a lower risk of default. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different bonds to minimize risk. In addition to understanding the key concepts of Fidelity bond investing, it is crucial to keep track of your investments and monitor market conditions. You can use online tools and resources to stay up to date with market news and trends. Finally, it is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in Fidelity bonds. Bonds are typically held until maturity, which can range from a few years to several decades. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed decisions and achieve your investment goals with Fidelity bond investing. By investing in Fidelity bonds, you can earn a fixed income and diversify your portfolio. With a clear understanding of the key concepts and best practices, you can navigate the world of Fidelity bond investing with confidence.